So for this one, I'm going to talk about what the answers are right now. So if you haven't figured out the answers yet, pause and then come back. For this one A, we see that the person's position doesn't change. This would be like taking a picture over and over and over again of the same thing, like of a tree that's not moving, all right, from the same perspective. You're just going to get the same picture. Repeat, 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 repeat. So this is no motion. B, notice that the people are equally spaced. So this would be like taking a picture every second. Click, 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 click. Okay, there was kind of fast seconds, but point being that the person's change in position, right, from one spot to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next, is the same each time, for each equal time interval. So this person is moving at a constant velocity. For C, when we take our picture each second, right, click, 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 you notice that at the beginning, the person hasn't moved very far in the first second. They move a bit further in the second second, a bit further in the third second, and then quite a bit further in the third second. This means they're accelerating in the positive direction. They're accelerating to the right. We might call that speeding up. In D, we can see the reverse is happening. Right? There's lots of space in the first time interval, less space in the second, even less in the third, even less in the fourth. They're slowing down. So this would be acceleration in the negative direction, right? It's like somebody's pushing on them this way, or they're putting on the brakes, right, with their shoes. So that's the deal. So how can you tell from the dot diagrams that the velocity is changing? Because the space in between each picture changes, right? So the amount of distance being covered during each time interval is changing. Here the velocity is not changing. Here the velocity is not changing. So that's A and B. But for C and D, the velocity is changing. Hope that helps.